Lately ni kita banyak dengar pasal artis-artis bercerai. Ada yang berpisah elok-elok, tapi ada juga yang bukan main drama lagi. Sampai semua nak cerita siapa salah, siapa jahat, siapa manipulate. Cara kita handle perpisahan menentukan macam mana orang akan ingat kita nanti. So you can end something respectfully or you can destroy everything that's left. Termasuklah maruah diri sendiri. Ni contoh paling simple, Nora Danish dengan Nadim. They divorce amicably, tak ada satu pun statement buruk tentang masing-masing. Sampai lah ni netizen tak tahu pun sebab apa mereka cerai. Tak perlu pun mereka habaq. Tak ada sindiran, tak ada drama. That's how you should do it well. Classy, mature, full of respect. Tapi mai pula kita tengok kes yang tengah viral lah ni. Isu Ukasha Sandros dengan Kamal Adli. Dia ni kata tu, dia tu kata ni. There were statements about manipulated nikah dates. Dah lama bertahan lah. Semua keluar dekat social media. Ukasha habaq dalam Malaysian Gazette. Dia enggan membuka aib sesiapa dan memilih untuk mendiam diri. Tapi dalam media-media lain, dia accuse him of being fake, manipulative, tak nak buka aib celah mana tu. Some of you guys may argue that mungkin niat Ukasha nak jelaskan keadaan. But the question is, do you really need to jelaskan? Do you need to be right? Or would you rather preserve your peace and your dignity? Saya faham lah bila hati tengah marah, terluka, frustrated, you just want to defend yourself. You want people to know your side of the story. Tapi bila memburuk-burukkan each other, the truth gets lost. And apa orang nampak? Drama aja. And when you have kids, please remember this lah. That's the mother or the father of the kids you're talking about. Even though you feel you are speaking your truth, but you're also condemning their mother and their father in public. Nanti satu hari, your kids will scroll online and read every single thing that you said out of anger. What will be their perception of you then? So, what should you do instead? First of all, hang punya self-control kena tinggi. Lagi tinggi daripada orang-orang biasa. Pasal hang public figure. So, before you post anything, hang pause that. Tanya diri sendiri dulu. Will this make things better or just make me look bitter? Kalau sungguh hampa dah tak boleh together-gather dah and cerai is the last resort, then set niat to end it dengan betul, dengan tenang, dengan bermaruah. You can protect yourself without attacking anyone. You can speak your truth without humiliating the other person. You can be hurting but still choose to handle it professionally. Pilah cakap dengan hang punya lawyer, your coach, pi mengadu kat family hang, bukan audience media sosial. Because tak perlu pun public tahu or be part of your pain. And trust me, lagi banyak hang explain, lagi keruh keadaan untuk hang. Here's a standard statement celebrities can use. Kalau wartawan tanya or you feel the need for you to make a statement, ni guna simple script ni. Yes, we are going through a difficult time. I ask for privacy and understanding as we handle this matter in the best way possible. There's no need for speculation or sides. We wish each other peace and healing. That's it. Tak perlu bagi sindir. Short, respectful and neutral. Let the lawyers do their work. Let time do the healing. So to all public figures, termasuk siapa-siapa saja yang going through a breakup, please remember this. Your dignity is worth more than your ego.